Miss Rakesh sir and my dear friend, good evening of you.
Good evening.
Today we are doing the role play, and role play topic is customer versus shopkeeper. He is Abhishek
And I will play a role of a shopkeeper.
and she is Kanchan.
I am friend of Sachin.
And I am Sachin and I will play a role of a customer. So let's start.
Hello?
Hello Kanchan.
Yes.
Hi Kanchan.
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. What do you do?
I am doing nothing.
Oh, so will you go with me?
Where?
So this is
Where?
in the clothes shop.
Okay, I will come.
Okay. You how many money you take?
I will see. And minimum 5,000 and 10,000.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Dad, give me money. Bye, Dad.
Hello?
Yes, Sachin.
You are ready?
Yes, I am coming to home.
Okay, fast.
Okay. And then
Hello Kanchan, how are you Kanchan?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, very neat.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sit here, sit here.
Thank you.
So, first of all, then, how are you?
Sir, I'm fine.
So, you see sales, so you come here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
I know. So, what would you like to take?
I want to do this.
This.
Yeah.
Yes, this is very beautiful, you can see.
You don't want something? Yes, I want your pure.
We have also jeans and shirt, pure.
Black.
Black. Would you
Yeah.
like to see?
Yes.
Yes, you can see this is very
So
famous.
how many price?
Around 1,000.
1,000 is very, it is very high price, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is very high price,
And how
but it
many-
is very, its quality is very good now.
And didn't ask for the water.
Yes, sorry.
Yes.
Take it. Sorry for.
And
So,
give me that dress.
that. So,
Yeah.
ma'am, first of all, tell me what is your budget?
Don't ask, only
Okay.
give.
See.
So you have a pure white shirt?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so yes.
Yes, we have. Yes, you can see, but you will have to fit.
Okay.
You can see. It is very good. You can see.
But there is some print, sir.
No, sir, it is white color
We
and it
want-
is designed.
We want.
But I want a pure.
Yeah.
Pure.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Otherwise, no.
No, we don't have pure now. If you will order so.
See.
We have no.
First of all, see.
So your shop is very big and there is
Yeah.
also so
Thank you so
There
much.
will
but-
be.
Yes, no, ma'am.
And
we
how
have
many rupees?
around 2,000.
Okay.
It is of 4,000, but we have sales, so we are giving.
So sir, how many prices?
So, would you like to take?
This is very high price.
So, ma'am, tell me what is your budget?
Okay, first of all, I have to see. Only 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
What? You may go, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. We don't have of any.
But it is good price, sir.
Yeah.
No, no, ma'am.
It is
Sir,
very
it is
good.
very good price. And
You
you
can,
shop.
you can go in Premnagar. You can
Sir, we
get
are also
very
coming to
good
your shop,
clothes
so
in
it is very good for you. Okay, sir.
Sir, you can also go in Premnagar.
Why?
Sir, you know that it is
Because-
celebrity. You know that.
Yeah.
You there is.
See my followers.
Yes, sir.
See.
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
So
But
if she is a click with you picture, then you are become popular,
Yeah.
sir.
no, ma'am. No.
Yes, sir.
thanks.
But then block and click pictures.
No, ma'am. No thanks. No, ma'am. No thanks. It's okay. You
Sir,
can
you
go.
become popular, sir.
Yeah, and sir, but what's our time price?
5,000.
No,
Sir,
no,
you-
no. Please,
Sir,
sir.
Last 4,000.
Do you
Sir,
have?
sir, I have only 5,000, sir. I have only 1,000.
1,000.
Yes, sir.
What are you saying?
Please give
In
me.
1,000 you can get only white shirt
Oh,
or
sir, you give.
black
Okay,
jeans.
okay, go.
Wait,
What
wait, wait.
happened, ma'am?
Give me
Yes.
3,000.
Go, Anjan, go.
Wait.
Okay, okay, last 355.
No, no, no.
So,
no.
Anjan, go. So, go some more.
There is also shop.
And really? See,
What is this?
okay.
What happened?
So,
Give me, please.
Okay, I will give you.
And sir, my pant.
No, sir.
You're
I,
free.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, it is good, sir.
No, sir.
Because all people
Sir,
think
you
that.
have 1,000 now.
Yes, sir.
So you can go in Premnagar or Nehru Nagar. You
Sir,
can.
it is very bad.
So
Your shop is not also very good. Yes, sir. You think that we
What are you saying in my
we
shop?
popular person come near shop, sir. It is
Yes,
very
yes,
good.
Yes.
You can go.
Sir, please.
No,
Okay,
sir.
I'm gonna go from here. Okay, please give me my dress. You go.
You
Sir,
can.
please, sir.
This one.
Yeah.
Sir, I give you 2,000.
No,
I have
this one.
2,000.
It is of 4,000.
Give me this. You said
No,
this.
ma'am, you can
No,
say.
no, no, no. give me.
It is of
This.
Then go on next shop, sir.
Wait.
You can go, man. Sorry. I
Okay, give me
can't.
money.
I gave you.
Where? When?
Now I gave you check in your pocket.
Say no.
You don't give.
Ma'am, I can call police.
Okay, go on.
Ma'am, please go for me. We don't have.
Okay, we are going.
What are you doing?
So go next shop, sir. Continue.
Where?
Sir, there is many shop, but
Where?
there is not sale in this. So what we do?
Let's take 4,000.
Okay, but I have not any there.
I have only 4,000.
So you tell that you have 2,000. I have to stay in my life, but you just don't.
So,
No, ma'am, sorry. We don't have. We don't have.
So, we have 6,000.
No, sir.
Okay, nice.
It's 4,000.
Yeah.
Sir, I give you 5,000, 2,000.
No, sir.
Sir,
Sorry.
it is very good.
Okay, I have. Okay.
So you can take it. And if you want to take it both, so you will have to pay 3,000. Otherwise, you will.
Sir, I have 2,000. It is very good, my son. You see that.
Sir,
And I have 1,000. I have 1,000. Take. Give.
Sir, I can upload it on Facebook, on other website. There is camera.
Okay, give. Take.
Wait. Give me money.
I forgot and 2,000.
Yes, you can take bill.
What?